A mechanical keyboard is a type of keyboard that uses individual mechanical switches for each key, providing tactile feedback and durability compared to traditional membrane keyboards. Each switch consists of a housing, spring, and stem, allowing for a distinct feel and sound when typing, which many users find more satisfying and responsive. The importance of mechanical keyboards lies in their enhanced typing experience, increased longevity, and customizable options, such as different switch types for varying levels of resistance and sound, as well as programmable keys and RGB lighting. These features make them popular among gamers, programmers, and writers who value precision, comfort, and aesthetic personalization in their typing tools. In today's video, we will show you the top 5 best mechanical keyboard. So, let's get started. Starting of our list at number 5, Redragon K671. The Redragon K671 mechanical gaming keyboard is an impressive option for gamers and professionals alike, offering a range of features that enhance both performance and comfort. With 11 unique backlight effects, users can easily set the perfect ambience for any mood, adjusting speed and brightness for optimal comfort, whether gaming late at night or working during the day. The double-injection ABS keycaps ensure clear, durable illumination for precise typing. Its hot-swappable red linear switches are smooth and responsive, ideal for MMO and RPG gaming. The keyboard supports macro editing, allowing users to remap keys and create shortcuts for a more efficient experience. With full-key anti-ghosting, it guarantees seamless functionality even during complex tasks. Redragon's 24-month warranty and responsive customer service ensure reliable after-sales support, making this keyboard a solid investment for both work and play. Here is the item number 4, Riso PHY Mechanical Keyboard. The Riso PHY Mechanical Keyboard is an excellent choice for gamers and typists who enjoy the tactile feel of clicky blue switches, offering precise feedback and a satisfying click sound with every keystroke. The full-size design provides 104 keys, including a number pad, with a 100% anti-ghosting feature, ensuring all key inputs register, no matter the speed. With its rainbow backlighting, customizable with 9 different modes and adjustable brightness and speed levels, it enhances any gaming setup, particularly in low-light environments. The keyboard is designed for comfort with stare-up keycaps and foldable rear kickstands to support proper posture, reducing hand fatigue over extended periods of use. Additionally, its durable, double-injection ABS keycaps ensure longevity, and the hydrophobic holes prevent damage from accidental spills. With multimedia shortcuts and broad compatibility across operating systems, this keyboard balances functionality, durability, and aesthetics, making it a valuable addition to any desktop setup. The item number 3, Keychron K2. The Keychron K2 is an exceptional 75% layout compact Bluetooth mechanical keyboard, offering a perfect balance of functionality and style. It retains essential shortcut and arrow keys while its inclined bottom frame enhances typing comfort, even without a palm rest. With the ability to connect up to 3 devices via Bluetooth 5.1, it's ideal for seamless transitions between smartphone, laptop, or tablet, while the wired USB Type-C mode adds versatility. Designed with a Mac layout, it's also fully compatible with Windows, including extra keycaps for both operating systems. The 4,000 mAh battery provides an impressive 72 hours of continuous typing or 7 days of typical use, making it reliable for long periods without recharging. The Keychron G Pro Brown switches offer a smooth, tactile typing experience with a durable 50 million keystroke lifespan. The white LED backlight adds a touch of elegance, making it easier to type in dim lighting. Overall, the Keychron K2 is a fantastic choice for home, office, and light gaming, delivering quality and convenience in a compact design. Number 2 in our list, MageG Mechanical Keyboard. The MageG MKBox 60% mechanical keyboard is an excellent compact option for both gamers and professionals, offering a perfect balance of functionality and space-saving design. With its 68 keys, it features separate arrow keys and all essential F keys, making it practical for multitasking without the bulk. Equipped with red mechanical switches, it delivers a smooth, linear keystroke experience with minimal resistance, making it ideal for fast typing or gaming without the tactile bump. The keyboard's blue LED backlighting adds a customizable flair with 15 different lighting modes, controllable for speed and brightness. Its full anti-ghosting ensures no input conflicts, and the sleek black, gray, and red color scheme complements the ergonomic design. With adjustable kickstand feet, a detachable USB cable, and wide compatibility across multiple operating systems, this keyboard combines style, practicality, and performance in a compact form factor, making it a top choice for those who need versatility and portability. The top one in our list, Corsair K70. The K70 RGB Pro gaming keyboard continues the legacy of the acclaimed K70 RGB, boasting a robust aluminum frame and featuring Cherry MX mechanical key switches that ensure a premium typing experience. Enhanced by Corsair Axon hyperprocessing technology, this keyboard processes and transmits inputs up to 8 times faster than standard gaming keyboards, giving competitive gamers a significant edge. The 100% Cherry MX Speed RGB silver mechanical key switches offer an impressive 1.2 mm actuation distance, delivering lightning-fast response times and durability with a lifespan of 100 million keystrokes. The polycarbonate keycaps feature a standard bottom row layout, allowing for easy customization with aftermarket keycap sets. Additionally, the tournament switch allows users to eliminate distractions by locking in static backlighting and disabling accidental macro activations, making the K70 RGB Pro an exceptional choice for serious gamers looking to enhance their gameplay. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best mechanical keyboard amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like. Comment your valuable opinion and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.